Making wine starts with picking the right grapes. You want to go for high-quality ones that are ripe and taste great. After that, the grapes get a good wash to get rid of any dirt or chemicals. Once they're clean, the grapes are crushed to get the juice out. For white wine, the juice is separated from the skins right away. But for red wine, the juice hangs out with the skins during fermentation to soak up color, flavor, and tannins. Next up is fermentation. Yeast is added to the grape juice, which turns the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on what type of wine you're making and how you want it to taste. The temperature and environment are closely monitored to keep the fermentation consistent. After fermentation, the wine is pressed to get the liquid away from any leftover solids. Then it goes through a clarification process to clear out any impurities, often using filtration or fining agents, which results in a nice, clear wine. Once it's clarified, the wine gets aged to enhance its flavors. Aging can happen in stainless steel tanks, concrete vats, or oak barrels, based on the kind of wine being made. This aging helps the wine mature and develop more complexity. Finally, if needed, the wine is blended to get the right flavor profile. It's filtered one last time to make sure it's pure, and then it's bottled up for sale. Each bottle is labeled and sealed, ready to hit the market. The whole journey from grape to bottle is designed to keep the wine's flavor, aroma, and quality intact, giving you a delightful drink to enjoy.